I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins with the closing market minute for Monday, November 3rd. Grains and oilseeds all ended the session higher, seeing varying degrees of commercial and short covering support throughout the session without a lot of fresh fundamental news. We did see a decent set of weekly export inspections numbers on both corn and wheat, while soybeans continue to trail last marketing year due to the absence of recent sales to China. And while there have been some clarifications about upcoming soybean business between the United States and China, there's still a lot we don't know about the timing of the shipments and the enforcement of this trade deal framework. Soybeans and corn continue to monitor U.S. harvest activity and planning and development weather in South America, while wheat's got an eye on U.S. winter wheat development conditions and global crop conditions as well. USDA will be issuing a supply, demand, and production update on November 14th, even if the partial shutdown of the federal government is still ongoing at that point. Live and feeder cattle closed sharply higher, supported by oversold signals and the continued tight supply of market-ready numbers. Still, there are a lot of questions about whether or not we're going to see another week of lower than the previous week's direct cash cattle business, and it remains to be seen how sales are going to shape up this week at some of the major feeder cattle barns. USDA will be putting out a cattle on feed report on November 21st. And hogs ended the session mixed, adjusting spreads. Cash business was steady to lower during the session, but the pork carcass cutout value was higher at midday. With the closing market minute for Monday, November 3rd, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins.